Andrew, did you get the image of the salt and pepper shakers that I took? Is that up on the website? All right, can you put that up real quick?
Yeah, what is this?
All right.
Is this our new business?
Nope, I have gifts for you. So, Sam from Vigo Foods. You've heard of Vigo. You've seen
Vigo Foods?
Yeah.
V-I-G-O.
Parmesan and stuff.
Oh, they do all kinds of imported food items, and they're based in Tampa.
They do the Parmesan.
So Vigo, V-I-G-O, I for years, I purchased their, the giant calamari in the can. I love that stuff.
Yum.
And I also am a regular purchaser of the Vigo salt and pepper shakers, and that is a team up with Alessi. And
yes, the
folks,
green cap.
Exactly. They're all over the place. So you go to restaurants, around the country. I'm in restaurants not even near Florida, and on the table in the restaurants are the green-capped Alessi Vigo crank salt and pepper shakers. They're all over the place, and especially in the Tampa Bay area. You go to restaurants, you see them all the time. They have them in the supermarkets as well. So look at this. So Sam from Vigo Foods here in Tampa, he stopped by my house because he kind of lives in the hood.
Is his name Sam Vigo?
No, but Sam, he drops off a bunch of these. They did some custom MJ Morning Show Vigo Alessi salt and pepper shakers here, dispensers.
Wow, is your hair like the top green part?
No,
okay.
It's the picture of the crew. There's Roxanne, there's Fester, there's me, there's Froggy. We have the MJ Morning Show logo, which they took the MJ TV logo, and then the Q105 logo's on the back.
That's
and
a real deal.
Even the labeling, I'm holding it up to MJ TV right now, and even the labeling, it says Vigo and Alessi, and then the back has the Q105 logo and the MJ Morning Show logo. So these are for you. Froggy,
Wow.
take this home. And Roxanne, here's
oh my gosh, this is heavy.
Here's one for you. It is. Look at that.
I can't open this. I can save this.
Describe that. Look at that.
Well, it's in very nice packaging.
It is. I just held it. Yeah, if you want to see it and you're not watching MJ TV, you can go back and watch the video on MJ TV. Just go to mjmorningshow.com, click on MJ TV at the top, and you can watch any of our shows in the studio. But I also took a still shot image with my cell phone, and I sent that to Andrew. So Andrew's going to post that also on stories mentioned on the MJ Morning Show in that section on mjmorningshow.com in just a bit. Isn't that nice?
I found an issue, though.
What's that?
Say I'm getting ready to use this, and I'm eating a delicious meal. I'm very hungry.
Right.
And I go to get my pepper shaker, and I see your face on it. I think my hunger's just going to go right away.
You're going to lose your appetite?
Immediately. Or maybe this is a good diet.
You know what we ought to do? We ought to actually maybe put out an MJ Morning Show version of this and sell it in the stores.
Yeah, that sounds easy.
Yeah. You get on that.
That's what we ought to do.
Yeah. Let me know how that goes.
Well, guys, aren't you excited?
I'm super excited. Yeah.
Yes.
Is that a...
I'll be more excited if you actually do put them out in the stores and make me a partner.
I think these things would sell.
I'll invest.
Listen, we use this all the time. We have the Alessi Vigo salt and pepper in the house.
Very cool. Wow. Somebody put a lot of time into this.
No, they did. It looks like their graphics and art department, they did a whole package. Wow. Again, look at the picture will be up shortly on mjmorningshow.com or MJ TV. Take a look.